Okay guys, turn the light on here. Alright, so another thing I got here for this test bench is this Hakko soldering tip cleaner. So I got a lot of projects coming up that are going to require me to do like surface mount soldering and some more delicate kind of soldering. And I've actually always wondered about these. I've gone through them through the electronics store, seen them. Here's my soldering iron. I have a pretty dirty tip. It's pretty dirty. So normally in the past, I've always just used the, wet the sponge here and clean the tip that way. But I always kind of wondered about this. It has like I guess it's called just a tip cleaner. But it's like a little thing here with I guess I always wondered how well it worked. So I guess you do change the cleaning wire. It's not okay. Operation remove. All right, so it's. That just pops up like that. Just comes up like that. Alright. So it just looks like some kitchen steel wool. It's not like regular steel wool. It's just it's more like a thicker kind of a material. So I'm gonna fire this, heat up this soldering iron, and see if this thing works or does any sort of makes any difference there. All right. Alright guys, my soldering gun is pretty well heated up. Let's see if I can get this on camera as close as possible. Like I said, I've never used one of these in my life, so let's see. I don't know, is it just supposed to clean solder off? Okay, yeah, I guess there was solder on the tip of that. So it's kind of smoking. Hopefully that's metal. It has to be metal. So, I don't know if this is even necessary or not. Kind of cool, I guess. Well, I'm not going to know. I need to get a new soldering tip anyways. I broke this one. This is normally a super fine tip. And the tip broke off. But, so, yeah, it does clean the tip. So I guess, yeah, I don't know if you just do that. Or stick it in there. Well, it was only $10, so I'll put a link in where you can get it. Alright, cool. Just trying to get some tools for the workbench. Alright, so enough of that. Alright, so I got some other stuff I'm going to show you too. So, alright, so that one's done. Alright, next tool here.